Hi, I'm Richa, Program Management Lead at MachineMaze. We want our customers to have an amazing manufacturing experience. For that, me and my team work predominantly across multiple time zones to cater multiple customers from North America, Europe, as well as domestic market. I believe program management team in manufacturing plays a very critical role, and it's very complex as in compared to any other industry because we have tighter timelines, we have global supply chains to furnish, we have much more cross-functional dependencies. So it brings a more complex into the system as compared to any other industry that needs lot of efforts for our team to bring more clarity with the stakeholders and to for the success of and a premium experience to our stakeholders, more clarity to our stakeholders. It needs a lot of efforts of us and our team. So we are very excited for the coming future, how it going to lie down across the coming year. I hope we have a wonderful year ahead.